this video, we are going to see the key difference between the Linux commands, su and su-. In Linux, there are many environment variables created in shell whenever a user logs into the system. The user variable is one such variable and it stores the username of the current user. You can check the value of that variable using $user command. Now, the su command stands for switch user and it allows a user to switch between users. If we run the su command followed by a username, we can log in and execute commands as that user. If we run the su command with or without a hyphen, it will create a login shell as the root user. If we check the user variable again, you can see the variable is updated with the new user's username. Now let's log out from the root user and run the su command without the hyphen. As you can see, again you have login as the root user. Now let's check the user variable again. So, now you can see the user variable similar to the previous user. The variable wasn't updated according to the new user. So, now you can understand the main difference between the two commands. Both commands do the same job, but the su- command resets all the environment variables and the su command switches the user without resetting environment variables. I hope now you can understand the main difference between those two commands. Thank you.